Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Weebly website, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a PDF file download into your Weebly website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to have a PDF download in your Weebly website anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, sometimes you're going to create lead magnets that offer a PDF download. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Weebly website editor. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there. But I've logged into my Weebly website editor, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a PDF download into your Weebly website, first here on the top left, you're going to go ahead and click on this drop-down menu and choose the page that you want to add the PDF download to. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and add it into, let's say, my contact page. Okay, once you choose the page, it's going to show the various sections you already have in that Weebly page. But here at the bottom, you want to click on Add Section. To do that, you're going to go ahead and scroll all the way down until you see PDF. Go ahead and click on. All right, once you do that, it's going to add a section into your Weebly page, as you can see, for a PDF download. So once it's added, go ahead and just click into the section. All right, once you do that, it's going to give you this menu on the left, and you're going to click here and then upload a PDF from your computer. Okay, I just grabbed a PDF. Okay, it's going to show an image of the PDF, as you can see right here, and you can go ahead and click here into the wording, and you can change this. Here is my PDF, guys. Okay, I don't really need extra words here, so I'm going to go ahead and delete that. And here you can go ahead and click on the button, and you can change the settings for the button. Let's change this to small, and let's change the color to this kind of purple color. Okay, so there we have a PDF. So now they can go ahead and download the PDF, and then they can also view it right here in the PDF embed. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a PDF download into your Weebly website, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.